In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Ads Feed ads campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to add creative that looks great across placements. Start by opening your Google Ads account in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. Depending on your view, you may also see a Campaigns tab along the top of the page. Click that as well, so you're looking at the full list of campaigns with all available columns. This ensures you're in the right place to access your creative settings. Next, open the section called Asset Groups. In many campaign types, especially Performance Max, your images, logos, headlines, and videos live inside Asset Groups. Go ahead and click Asset Groups to see the groups associated with your campaign. From here, select the specific asset group for the campaign you want to update. Think of this as the creative container for that campaign. Choosing the correct one matters because the images you add here will serve with the ads in this group. Inside the asset group, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit control. Click the pencil to start editing the assets. This takes you into a focused editing view where you can adjust creative elements. Now scroll down until you find the images section. It's clearly labeled. Click Edit to open the image picker. This is where you'll locate and add your images. You can upload a file directly from your computer, select from your Google Ads asset library if you've used images before, or pick from other available sources shown in the panel. Choose images that are sharp, well lit, and on brand. Avoid text-heavy graphics as they can reduce clarity at smaller sizes. As you add images, look for cropping or preview tools. Use these previews to check how your image appears in square, landscape, and vertical formats. If the tool offers multiple aspect ratios, include a few shapes, like a square and a landscape, so your ads can render cleanly across different placements. Aim for high resolution and keep the main subject centered to prevent awkward cropping. When your selected image appears in the images list for the asset group, you're all set. The editor will reflect your changes and your new creative will be available for serving once processed. Quick recap: open your Google Ads account, click Campaigns again if needed to focus the view, go to Asset Groups, choose the specific asset group, click the pencil icon to edit, scroll to Images, click Edit, and locate your image to add it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.